Welcome from Teacher Richard. This is a brief introduction to the trigonometry curriculum that we'll be using in the classroom. On the screen, I have listed some highlights that you should be aware of as we progress through the curriculum. The first item on the list is the angle sum principle. You should be aware of the fact that this angle sum principle solves for unknown values for angles only. Second item on the list is the Pythagorean theorem. The theorem solves for unknown values for side values only. And then the third thing on the list is the SOHCAHTOA, using trig ratios, solving for sides or angles. Now please notice on the bottom of the screen you'll see a right triangle. This is what I try to arrive at in almost all cases when I'm solving a problem. If I'm not presented with a right triangle, I try to create one by adding geometry. You'll see more of that later. This here is a overview of some labeling conventions that are very common in many publications, in math books and so on. And what we have here is we have this side over here, which is the hypotenuse, labeled as a lowercase c. And then we have a lowercase b over here and a lowercase a down here. And if you notice that across from that lowercase c is an uppercase C, identifying this 90-degree corner here. And across from this lowercase a, we have an uppercase A, identifying this angle here as angle A. And then the same thing goes for this lowercase b, and across from that is an angle identified as a B with an uppercase B. Now this side here is always called the hypotenuse because it's the longest side of a right triangle. It is always longer than this side or this side. That's it for this brief introductory video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the classroom.